A gunman opening fire on a crowded rush hour train in Brooklyn. Panicked passengers rushed off subway cars. The injured lay on the platform. Blood everywhere.
I saw maybe a 16-year-old kid. He was sitting on the steps coming out the train station, and he had a bullet in his knee.
That's the sort of terror that I haven't seen before since 9/11.
Tonight, a massive manhunt for the gunman is underway. Police say he was on this Manhattan-bound train. As it pulled into the 36th Street stop, they say he put on a gas mask, then opened a canister filled with smoke.
He then opened fire, striking multiple people on the subway and in the platform.
You can hear that gunfire in this video from the next car over, where Kenneth Footsmith was headed to work.
We hear a loud bang and then followed by lots of screaming, and we see white smoke starting to billow and fill up the train car, and people running at the doors that separate the train cars and banging on them, screaming for help, almost like a horror movie.
Conrad Adderer was in the station.
Guy just came up to the station booth, and he was his legs were bloody. I basically made a decision to get out of there.
Law enforcement sources tell NBC News the station's surveillance camera was not working, but they believe they may have an image of the suspect. They're searching for a black male, 5 foot 5 inches tall, with a heavy build, wearing a green construction vest, a gray hooded sweatshirt. Police believe the suspect left a 9mm gun behind, along with this backpack filled with smoke canisters and fireworks. Officials don't believe the gunman said anything as he opened fire, and say so far there's no indication of terrorism.
We do not know the motive at this time, but we're not ruling anything out.
At least 27 people were injured, several with gunshot wounds. According to the NYPD, all of the victims are expected to survive. Some of the injured hopped on a train across the platform to get to safety.
Yes, I knew she was going to show it.
Terror that I haven't seen before since 9/11.
Hold on. Something I can't get over. Why is the mannequin's pants halfway down? Anyway, good work, Miss Maskless.
They say he put on a gas mask, then opened a canister filled with smoke.
Again.
The injured lay on the platform, blood everywhere.